Hello RC enthusiasts, this is Dave from ERC, and I've just been working on my night Radian, and I have started to add some solid LED lights right on the wingtips, and this is for orientation while I'm flying, of course. The blinking lights are kind of confusing, so I wanted something solid to go by. I put some green here, and I'm going to put some red on the other wing and maybe some on the tail. And here is a box. I'm going to do a box opening maybe in the next video, but I just thought you might like to guess what's in the box. What is in the box? And here's a hint. If you look at that logo right there, somebody wrote that on there. It wasn't me, but the place I got it, somebody there wrote it on. So see if you can guess what's in the box and where I got it. I actually went there in person and picked it up. So those are a couple things to perk your interest. And I'll go into how I did these lights maybe later on, but basically what I'm doing is I got a bunch of resistors here, and I just took a regular 12 volt LED strip and changed the resistors and made each LED an individual LED, and put the right resistor so it would work off the 5 volts, which turned out to be really 3.8 volts, that's on these strips that come with the night Radian. They're addressable strips, and they run off 5 volts, but apparently the voltage ends up being about 3.8. So I had to do some careful calculations and measurements and get this to work just right. So those little green lights stay solid all the time to help me fly the plane. Well, that's about all I got right now. And I'll get back to you later on the next video, and we'll do that box opening. And I'll tell you more about the LEDs. But here's the box. There it is. That right there ought to tell you what's in it, if you can guess it, and where I got it. Okay. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.